In this class, you will learn how to create amazing product animations in Blender. These high-quality renders and animations can be used in multiple ways. You can create an entire product advertising video. And you can even upload the animations separately to create some amazing portfolio pieces, which are also perfect for any kind of social media feeds. Multiple 3D modeling techniques will be used to create the wine bottle, label, and capsule. We are using the free version of Canva to create the label. The simulation, materials, animations, and lighting will all be done inside Blender. The rendering workflow and post-production will be discussed in depth, so you can create these amazing animations all on your own. Thanks for taking a look at this class, and I will see you in the next video.